Hey, how's it going, guys? So, sorry for a late video upload because I was not feeling good. And, like, if I'm not feeling good, I have my assignments in my university. So, yeah, so I can't do the trading meanwhile. So, now I'm totally free for a month. Now I will focus 100% to my trade. So, this is my basic structure for today. So, this is GBPUSD, and I just want to explain that how you need to with the market, and I also doing this for my practice as well. So I can, like, you don't even, like, expecting any signals from me. I'm not signal provider, I'm just a trader, and I'm just learning. I'm improving myself every day. So that's the only thing I learn as a trader. So now let's just get started with this. So now I can see here, this is a liquidity sweep here, I guess. So sweep in the 4 hour structure, but you can see that that's, like, it's a downward, I think so. Yeah, it's a breakout of structure, it's on the downside. Let me just go to the real quick to the 4 hour zone. Okay, so what's this 4 hour zone in there? I'm just taking consider this 10 candles right now. I'm not taking, I take consider the whole all of them, only 10 of this. Let's make a story of this. What happened? Okay, I'm going to brush. So what happened in the market? So market was going down to this point, going up, takes collect the orders from here. Why? Because this is a high resistance liquidity. Now the market is going up, so it says that this is a basically breakout of structure in a lower time frame. So I'm just planning that the market will come to this point, going about till this point and going down. Now you're just wondering why the market is going down. So that's a good question. Can you see the breakout of structure somewhere here? Is there a breakout of structure? Yeah. And can you see that this is, like, high resistance liquidity over there? Why? Because the whole market is taken by here. Let me show you. All the things is taken by here. Unnecessary. This is a liquidity sweep. And then the market start going up till this point, collect all the liquidity from here, and then going down. So now let me just draw a high resistance liquidity over there as well. Okay, so now I'm just thinking that the market will play in this zone today. Yeah, because that's a high resistance liquidity, that's a high resistance liquidity, this is the latest one. So I'm just thinking that the market will eventually going to this point, takes it till this point somewhere. Yeah, you just go to the 1 hour and make that very clear. Okay, so that's my indicator, this is my indicator, and this is helpful for, like, see the what's the highest of the week and all the things. So this is a separation from them, and, like, it's a day started from here. Just make sure you have this in your screen. So now I can clearly see from here that this is a breakout of structure. Okay, and then the market going up and up and up. Okay, and I can see one more thing, that why the market is going down, because you can see that this is a huge fair value gap. You see, huge fair value gap. So I'm just thinking that because of this fair value gap, the market is come till this point, then it will go to this point and then go down. I'm just thinking that. Okay, so because see, this is a high resistance liquidity, and without going down it will not go up. It will give us an entry to go a little bit of down, because we are only play for 20 pips, 40 pips, 30 pips, 60 pips, that's it. We are not go above 100 pip, 200 pip. No, that's not the best way of trading for me as well. Okay, so now let me go to the 15 minute real quick. All right, So I think you can see some zones. That's the one zone. I think that's a 15-minute zone. Yeah. And apart from that, let me make that as very perfect. Yeah, I can see that this is an inducement for me. Yeah, this is a target initially. Why? Because see, if the market wants to go up, it first need to come here and then go up. But you see, this is the early sellers are there in the market. This is the early buyers. Sorry, early buyers are there in the market. They bring till this point. Then once again, market will go down to till this point and then go up. So now I'm just starting to see the like they already wants to take the liquidity. Why this happening? Let me show you. Let me just going to 1 minute real quick. So you can any small child can draw a simple line from here, and that's a liquidity. Anyone can understand that this is a liquidity and it must be taken out. All right, so let me just go to the 5 minute as well, and let me just run this market. Okay, so our target is there. Oh, it hit. So it says that our target is heated. Like we already know that the market will reach till this point. Why? Because this is a liquidity and I'm just planning that the market will reach till this point. Now you can see, can you see the liquidity over here? Let me show you. Can you see this? This is a liquidity, internal liquidity over there. Okay, anyone can draw a simple line from that, and we are institutions and we just wants to liquidate the retail traders. Okay, so now this says that my Asian session is started, so this box is for Asian session. Then at the 3 we will got another box that for London, and from the 8 we will got another box for the New York. All right, so I'm just, this target is taken. Let me just find a zone over there real quick. Okay, so we can say that the market will eventually come to this point, because that's a fair value gap above it. Let me show you something. See, this is a fair value gap that I can notice from here. So I'm just wondering why it is not come till this point. It will come, don't worry, just hold your breath, because market is always going from point to point. Exactly. Yeah, so now I'm just thinking that the market will first take this fair value gap in order to go up. Let's see what happens. Let me go to the 5 minute real quick. There you go. Oops, it's taken. You see, it's already taken out, and then it's start going up. I already mentioned you that this is the 15-minute zone. Market come till this point, going up. Yep, there she goes. Because no, see, I'm not playing in a Asian session. Asian session is just for me, where the market will go and all the things. I will decide all the things in Asian session particularly. So now I will wait till London. So till this point I can understand from the market that this is the liquidity over here, must need to be taken, and it's already taken out. Yep. Okay, because one, why this building of this above up move, this up move is also generating a liquidity. See, this is a liquidity and I want it to break that liquidity. Okay, so let's see what happens. Let me just go to the 5 minute real quick. All right, there she goes. Okay, it's taken out. Now it's the London session started. Okay, starting of London, you can see the big move, the huge candles out there. So now I can see from here that this is the zone that is responsible for this whole up move. Sorry guys, I don't have any 5 minutes. Let me just put for you Oops. Okay, like it's not working. Why? 5 minute. That's all I want. Okay, so that's a 5 minute zone for me. Why? Because the same thing happened here. It's a breakout of structure in the 5 minute. So I'm just planning that the market will come till this point and then go up. Let me show you. And like I'm just waiting for the market to break this point. Like this is a liquidity for me, and like if it go above to this point, and it says that I wants to go up. That's like institutional shows a card. Yeah, that I want to go up. See, liquidate, and now London zone is started. Oops, that's London. So let me just go to the 1 minute real quick. All right, man. So let me show you something over here. So this is the last move. Can you see? So this is the last move in the 1 minute that makes this up move. So you can take a trade from here if you want. Like you can take it at 50% as well, and you can take it here as well. Okay, and like it depends on us that how long you want to take a stop loss. I'm putting over here. Why? Because I'm just thinking that what if the market is wants to touch till this point, because there's a fair value gap over there. So I'm just thinking that. But now instead of that, I'm just take a trade from here. I want this trade to go till this point, and for a safer side I will also put a trade, because in my real account I put a trade over this, because I'm just pretty sure that if it come to this point, damn sure it will go up. So now we got an entry. Let's see what happened. Oops, it's taken. Now let's see. Okay, all right, my man, it's going up. Okay, so London is pushing hard. All right, so 30 pip taken out. Let me show you how we know that at which point the market will go. Okay, till this point let's just play it. Okay, it's also taken out. Because there's a liquidity over there. I don't want liquidity in the market, because I will always eat retails. See, one more thing, you can take a trade from here as well if you want. If you want another position, you can take trade from here till this point. Let me show you it's working or not. Okay, it's working perfectly. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Like you did it, my boys. So I'm just thinking that this is a 15 minutes graph. So I'm just thinking that the market will eventually go till some point here, because this is my target. This is the inducement, and I'm playing from inducement to inducements. So this is inducement, and I'm playing from inducement to inducement, and I want the market to take this inducement. Yep, because that's my final goal, to take every day inducements. All right, let me just go to the 5 minute real quick. Okay, all right, let's just play. Okay, it hit us. It hits. Can you see the trend line over there? Anyone can see that. That's a very bad trend line, and I don't like trend lines. It's internal liquidity over there. All right, my man, let me just hide this one so you can see the market clearly, because that's only for our knowledge that where the market will go. So I will not play this much. I will exit till this point. 65 pips plus 40 pips, that's it for me. 100 pips per a day. Okay, let's see what happened. because that's a high resistance liquidity, and I'm if you want to play till this point, you can play till this point, because we don't know that this is a high resistance liquidity, and what if the market will go down. So now for going down, I'm just putting over here, that's this is my change of character. If it's go below this, I will take it down. There we go. Okay, it's going down. So now if it's going down, I will take a short position from here as something like that to this point. All right, let's see what happens. Okay, we taps in. Oops, it's breaking us out. So that's $8 loss over here, because we think that this is a high resistance security. Now at this point you have to go back to your zones. Just you need to see where it is the the zone from where you want to take a trade. For me, it is a zone 15-minute zone for me. All right, so that's a 15-minute zone for me. Let me show you 1 hour real quick, so we can get the zone very easily. No, it's no zone over there. Let me just go to the 30-minute over there. Yep, there's a zone. That's one zone over there. You can see the another one, I guess. Can you see it? Yep, that's a zone. All right, so I'm just dragging the whole zone from here to here. All right, so I'm just thinking that I will take a trade from this half of the position till this point. Another trade will be from this zone to this zone. Okay, I'm not expecting this much. I'm expecting a little bit of I want to take a trade till this point. 40 pip, that's it for me. 50, 40, that's it, because that's my target. Let me just go to the 5-minute real quick and see what happened. Okay, it's going down, man. All right, we are in the trade, we are in the profit. Let's just transfer the stop loss to the break even and see what happened. Okay, so you can close the trade here over here if you want. You can close that, but I will only put my break even, and let's see what happened. Oops, it's taken us break even. Oops, we are not in loss, we don't have any profit as well. So you can see that this market is clearly, see, this is a previous high of this session. It's taken by the New York is taken this high here, and I'm just pretty sure that the market will go down from here. I will not take a trade from there, I will take a trade directly from here. What if the market is not going to this point? I will not take trade from here. Why? Because I'm just thinking that the market is follow down from here because the whole zone is a down zone. Down move is our real bias is a downwards. So I'm targeting till this point, or else you can say I'm targeting till this point, or wherever you want. Let me just go to the 1 minute real quick. I will target till this point, yeah, because I'm just seeing here. According to this, I will put my target. I think it's enough for me. I will happy. Let's see what happens. Instead of 1 minute, let's just go to the real quick 5-minute over there. All right, let's just play the trade. Okay, it's going down. Oops, we got the trade. Now you can play till this point if you want, but I don't like to play till that point. If you want to play a very safe game, you can directly take a trade from here. If you want, you say like, I'm just playing a hindsight, but like it is what it is. Like, you have to take a trade from here or else here, because I took a trade from here, not from here, because sometimes market is not coming to the zone for reconfirmation, it directly go down. So that was my entry. If you want to take a entry, you can take it from here, but my entry was from here till this point, from till this point. Then I see a big candle over there, and I just closed my positions. Let me show you in the 1 minute real quick. See, I saw some blue candle. See, this is a blue candle that I see here. That's, I think that from this the market will go upwards, and I close my position over here. I am not advising you to go more than 40 pips. Take 80% of the positions. That's very good for you. So that's it for today. I think you like my video, and see you soon in the next video.